Recreation and tourism are a major part of many communities in Wisconsin. One form of recreation is ATV, UTV, and snowmobile riding. This recreation has impacts on economies at the local and state level, as well as providing revenue for the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, or WDNR. Many trails exist throughout the landscape in Wisconsin, connecting many communities and creating a culture and society of its own. Revenue collected through the registration and other fees is used to fund and maintain trails. Local economies are also impacted by the business brought in by trail riders. The recreation creates a society of clubs to maintain trails and provide information to riders. ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation is also a large part of culture in Wisconsin, with world championship races and one of the first snowmobiles created in Vilas County. Overall, this recreation has implications in physical geography and subsets of human geography like economic, societal, and cultural. There are many forms of recreation in Wisconsin, such as hunting, fishing, camping, or ATV, UTV, and snowmobile riding. All forms can have ties to geography. My topic of choice for this project was how ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation was related to geography, specifically physical geography and economic, societal, and cultural aspects of human geography. To get information for my topic, I first looked for previous work done on the subject. I did not find any work specifically on ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation related to geography, but I did find a paper on tourism economy in Wisconsin and its relation to economies and societal and cultural organizations. Another article discussed land ownership changes and conservation easements, which are a partial title transfer from landowner to a nonprofit organization or government agency to prevent some land uses to protect conservation values. They also have the ability to keep recreation areas open to private lands. This has implications in ATV, UTV, and snowmobile riding as some trails cross private lands. Next, I searched DNR and county clubs and recreational sites to find information relating this recreation to physical and human geography. Many trails run over the physical landscape in Wisconsin. The Chippewa County trails are known for the hills and valleys left from the glaciers that they run with. The Black River State Forest ATV Trail runs through 68,000 acres of forest near Black River Falls, Wisconsin. It also passes near Wazee Lake, which is the deepest lake in Wisconsin. The Cheese County Trail System passes through the driftless area of Wisconsin and also contains a 440-foot trestle that passes over the Pecatonica River. Price County trails climb Timms Hill, which is the highest point in Wisconsin. For economic impact by ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation, $32,733,000 was collected by the state from June of 2019 to June of 2020. That money is used to maintain trails, enforce laws, and fund projects related to this recreation. Many trails run past campgrounds and small communities where trail riders will stop in small shops, inns, bars, and supper clubs. Much of the business that these businesses get is from trail riders. ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation is a part of Wisconsin culture, especially in northern Wisconsin. Eagle River, Wisconsin is home to the World Championship Snowmobile Derby, which is a world championship snowmobile race held annually in January. One of the first snowmobiles created came out of Saner, Wisconsin in Vilas County. Many consider Eagle River in Vilas County as the start of snowmobile culture. Over the last 40 or so years, many clubs formed under the AWSC and the WATVA to provide access to trails and maintain trails. These clubs also keep riders updated on trail openings and closings, as well as keeping them informed on legal changes. This recreation has created a society of its own that works on behalf of trail riders to ensure access to trails and work with landowners and other community members. I've gone over how ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation has various geographic ties in Wisconsin, such as physical, economic, cultural, and societal. For physical geography, trails travel over or near many important geographical places in Wisconsin. Economically, this recreation also provides the state with revenue to fund and maintain trails. Local economies are also impacted by the business brought in by trail riders. ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation is also a part of the culture in Wisconsin with a world championship race. Finally, this recreation creates a society of its own through clubs such as AWSC and the WATVA. ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation encompasses physical geography as well as subsets of human geography like economic, cultural, and societal. I hoped to have a part in the society results to say what the general community's feelings towards ATV, UTV, and snowmobile recreation was. I was not able to find any data on this topic. If time permitted, I would have liked to make a survey for general community members near trails to take in regards to their feelings on this type of recreation. Here's a list of the sources I used to create this project. Thank you for watching.